Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have a Brocade VDX-6740T, and I need to install a license. So basically this switch came with only the base license, which is basically the 24 port 10 gig. So I will install license, will activate the other 24 ports plus the 2 port 40 gig. Let me show you what we have in here. Show version, show port on demand. So basically that's the license information of the unit. So basically we have a 48 port 10 gig, but look at that, there is no upgrade license on the unit. The same thing for the 40 gig port. So basically we are going to upgrade the other 24 port. So this is basically the only license, which is basically the base license on the unit, which is the 24 ports only. So basically, how did you generate the license? Well, I cannot explain that right now because I already have the license key. But let me show you which information you need to generate the license. So basically, you need to go into the shell. In order to do that, you type on high force cmd. And now you need to go to force bash right there. So from here you type license ID show, chasing ID show, sorry, right there. So basically this is the information that you need for generate the license. You can check the string network website in order how to generate the license, but I already have the license, so I just need to use those keys to activate the 10 gig port and the 40 gig port. So exit from here, and then to install the license you type license add and the string or the key, which is basic, I have it here. Copy. This is for the 10 gig. So there is something missing in the command, I guess. So license add like string and then the license key paste. Look at that. So that install the other 24 gig license. Let's verify that. Show depot, and look at that, we have the 24 base license, and now we have the other 24 10 gig license already in there. So in the beginning the license was not active, so let's install the other license. A license add like a string, and I have the key right here. Copy, paste. So let's double check the license, if the license is installed. This was the 40 gig port. Show depot. So look at that, this is the 40 gig port are available in the switch. This is the information about the 10 gig, and now the 40 gig port. Look at that. 40 gig port assignment are provisional to the 40 gig port upgrade license, and that is how did you install or activate the 10 gig license and the 40 gig on the VDX-6740. Well, thank you so much for your time. That will be all for today, and I really appreciate it. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks.